Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today we're going to talk about something we all love, food, pizza hamburger cake.
Yes, food is one of the best topics to practice English. We eat every day, we talk about food every day, and it's a fun way to learn new words.
That's right. Whether you're at home, at a restaurant, or shopping for groceries, you use food vocabulary all the time.
In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your favorite foods, order in a restaurant, and describe how food tastes, all in easy English.
So grab a snack or your favorite drink and let's start talking about food in English.
1. What's your favorite food? Emily, what's your favorite food?
Hmm, that's a hard question. I love pizza. It's cheesy, warm, and so delicious.
Pizza is amazing. I like it too. My favorite food is sushi.
Oh, sushi! That's healthy and tasty. Do you like it with soy sauce?
Yes, always. And I like wasabi too. Just a little bit.
Haha, I can't eat wasabi. It's too spicy for me.
So, Emily, do you cook at home often?
Yes, I do. I like cooking pasta, soup, and sometimes desserts.
Wow, that sounds great. I usually cook breakfast, eggs, toast, and coffee.
Simple and delicious. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day.
2. At a restaurant. Scene. Paul and Emily are sitting at a restaurant. Waiter. Paul. Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. May I take your order?
Yes, please. I'd like a salad to start, and then a cheeseburger with fries.
Waiter. Paul. Sure. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have an orange juice, please.
Waiter. Paul. Great choice. And for you, sir? I'd like a bowl of soup and a grilled chicken sandwich. Waiter. Paul. Would you like a dessert? Maybe later.
I think I'll have chocolate cake after my meal.
Waiter. Paul. Perfect. I'll bring your order soon.
Thank you.
That was a good example of a restaurant conversation.
Yes, you can use simple sentences to order food politely.
For example, I'd like a pizza, please. Can I have a glass of water? Do you have any desserts?
Polite words like please and thank you are always important when you order.
Vocabulary and examples. Now let's learn 15 useful words and phrases for talking about food. 1. Hungry. Meaning when you want to eat. Examples: I'm hungry. Let's eat. She gets hungry every afternoon. Are you hungry after class? 2. Thirsty. Meaning when you want something to drink. Examples: I'm thirsty. I need some water. He feels thirsty after running. Are you thirsty? 3. Delicious. Meaning very tasty, very good. Examples: this pizza is delicious. Your soup smells delicious. What a delicious meal. 4. Spicy. Meaning hot flavor from chili or pepper. Examples: I can't eat spicy food. This curry is too spicy. Do you like spicy noodles? 5. Sweet. Meaning sugary taste like cake or chocolate. Examples: I love sweet desserts. This juice is too sweet for me. Sweet food makes me happy. 6. Salty. Meaning has a lot of salt. Examples: the fries are a bit salty. I like salty snacks. Don't eat too many salty chips. 7. Bitter. Meaning a strong taste, not sweet. Examples: coffee is sometimes bitter. Dark chocolate is a little bitter. I don't like bitter vegetables. 8. Menu. Meaning the list of food at a restaurant. Examples: can I see the menu, please? The menu has many options. I like to read the dessert menu. 9th order. Meaning to ask for food or drink. Examples: let's order pizza tonight. What did you order at the cafe? I ordered soup and salad. 10th meal. Meaning breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Examples: breakfast is my favorite meal. I usually eat 3 meals a day. What's your biggest meal? 11th cook. Meaning to make food. Examples: I like to cook pasta. My mom cooks delicious food. Do you cook at home? 12. Taste. Meaning the flavor of food. Examples: this soup tastes amazing. What does it taste like? It tastes a little sweet. 13. Dessert. Meaning sweet food after a meal. Examples: I love chocolate desserts. What's for dessert today? Let's share a dessert. 14. Recipe. Meaning instructions for cooking a dish. Examples: I found a new recipe online. Can you give me a cake recipe? This recipe is easy to follow. 15. Flavor. Meaning the taste and smell of food. Examples: I like the flavor of strawberries. This ice cream has a strong vanilla flavor. Which flavor do you want? Chocolate or mango?
Story 1. Paul's Cooking Adventure. Paul, did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I did. I tried to make spaghetti.
Oh, that's nice. How was it?
It was not great. I added too much salt. It was very salty.
Ha ha, don't worry. Cooking is practice. You'll get better next time.
Story 2. At the fast food restaurant. Hi, can I have a cheeseburger and fries, please?
Cashier, Emily. Sure. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a cola, please.
Cashier, Emily. That will be $7.50.
Here you go.
Cashier, Emily. Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thanks a lot.
Story 3. Coffee time. Paul, do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, every morning. It helps me wake up.
Do you like it sweet or bitter?
I like it with a little milk and sugar.
Nice. I prefer tea. It's lighter and relaxing.
Extra practice. Repeat after us. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us.
I'm hungry.
I'd like a pizza, please.
This soup tastes delicious.
Do you like spicy food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Can I see the menu, please?
Let's order dessert.
Great job.
Questions for you? Pause and answer. Now let's practice speaking. I'll ask and you can answer out loud. 1. What's your favorite food? 2. Do you like sweet or salty food? 3. What do you eat for breakfast? 4. Can you cook? What do you cook? 5. What's your favorite restaurant?
You can pause the video and answer these questions in English. Practice speaking. Don't worry about mistakes. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
We talked about food, how to say what you like, how to order at a restaurant, and how to describe taste.
We learned many new words: hungry, thirsty, delicious, spicy, sweet, salty, bitter, menu, order, cook, dessert, recipe, and flavor.
And we practiced real conversations at home, at a restaurant, and during coffee time.
Remember, food is an easy and fun topic to practice English. You can talk about what you eat every day.
Yes, try to describe your meals in English, even when you're eating. Say things like, "This is sweet," or "This tastes delicious."
The more you use English in your daily life, the faster you'll improve.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about food in English.
Don't forget to practice. Maybe go to a restaurant and order in English next time.
And if you liked this lesson, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.
Yes, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time on Mr. English Learning.